Musamseleku always saying negative things about Makhumalo, especially on season 9. All he said to Makhumalo is negative. Musamseleku last time on awards saying Makhumalo was not wearing good, and now he invites them to Macele's new house. He says Makhumalo was not wearing good. Makhumalo was wearing hair tracksuit and she was not covered with a long jacket like Mayeni and Mangwawe. But there is no need to compare with Mayeni and Mangwawe. If Makhumalo was not wearing good, it's better to tell her in a nice way than to compare with other wives. Why he want to compare her with other wives? That's why Makhumalo, she is no longer tolerate Musamseleku. Even Makhumalo wearing nice, we didn't saw Musamseleku commenting to Makhumalo. You know that Musamseleku says to Macele on awards, you are looking very nice, my wife. But he didn't say it to Makhumalo. How Makhumalo can feel. Guys, Makhumalo sometimes, Makhumalo didn't listen. We tell her to leave that marriage. Even she wants money for content, but she is hating. Guys, that girl is hating. Even she saw Musamseleku says those words on diaries that Makhumalo was not wearing good. The person who was wearing good is Mangwabe. Even Mangwabe and Mayen, even they are saying bad things about Musamseleku, but Musamseleku always being positive to them. Why he can't do it to Makhumalo? Because he is no longer in love with Makhumalo. Makhumalo have to understand the language. Because actions, Makhumalo have to concentrate with actions more than words. You understand? So Makhumalo, there is no need now to bother yourself about Musamseleku. Musamseleku is no longer in love with her. Makhumalo is better to move on with her life. People, guys, we don't want to lie to Makhumalo. We say it will be okay. There is no okay. Musamseleku was not in love with Makhumalo. Even at the first time, he was staying with Makhumalo because he want to have kids with Makhumalo. And what he wants to Makhumalo, he can't have those kids with Makhumalo. You understand? You know that a man, when he loves you, even you have got kids or not, he loves you either, no matter what. You understand? Musamseleku now, he is showing now his true colors, that he is no longer in love with Makhumalo. Because what I saw, the signs of a man is no longer in love with you. He is always saying negative. All he see to you is negative. Even when he visits at Makhumalo's house, what the first thing he says to Makhumalo, imagine, he says those houses, he says many things that Makhumalo can be irritated. You understand? Those negative things can bother Makhumalo. That's why Makhumalo says the toilet is outside. She wants Musamseleku to leave and never came again. And she knows that when she tells Musamseleku that the toilet is outside, Musamseleku is going to leave her house and go, because there is no need to visit. You say you visit Makhumalo, you want to fix things, and you came, you want to say many things. They didn't sit down. You want to say that there is someone who is sponsored the kitchen, what. That person who was sponsoring Makhumalo's kitchen, where are you? When there is someone, even is another man who is sponsoring Makhumalo's kitchen, where he is all the time as the man. You are busy with Macele, Mayeni and Mangwabe's house, but you are not fixing Makhumalo's house. Makhumalo have to live. Guys, sometimes when we are saying, it's not about maybe we are bitter or what. We are hurt as people. You know that when I see Makhumalo's situation, guys, it hurts me. It hurts me a lot because I love her so much, Makhumalo. So it's better that girl to leave that marriage. I don't want to lie or what. Musamseleku, he is no longer in love with Makhumalo. He is no longer in love. He doesn't feel anything to that girl. He doesn't feel anything. Makhumalo, you have to leave Musamseleku for good, to accept the situation, that there is no change now, to move on with her life. Even a change man after man is better than to stuck in a wrong relationship. That marriage is not yours. Maybe it's for Mangwabe, Mayeni and Macele. It's not your marriage, and maybe you can be hurt, but it will pass. You understand it? Makhumalo, even people, they are telling her in comment section, but she doesn't listen.